How to use my videos in the classroom. Number 1, practice. Most of my videos centre around various mindfulness practices, and they're called practices for a reason. These skills can be tricky to learn, and the more the children practice, the easier that they'll become second nature for them. So we want them to learn the skill, practice it, perfect it, and remember it. That's the most important thing, because we want these skills to be skills for life. We don't want them to be like, oh, I was calm for that afternoon when we did that mindfulness at school. No, we want them to learn the skills, practice them, and then apply them in their day-to-day lives. Apply them when they're feeling sad. Apply them when they're feeling nervous or anxious, when they're in the playground or at home. When I was teaching year 3 and 4, after doing belly breathing, we did it once a day we did it for months, but after we'd done it for maybe 2 weeks, I think it was less than 2 weeks actually, most of the class would come in and tell me that they'd been using belly breathing at home. One child said she used it when she fell out with her brother and she was feeling angry, so she went upstairs and did her belly breathing and felt calmer. Another boy said that he'd done it when he was feeling angry. And it's just amazing that how quickly they will apply these skills to their day-to-day lives to self-regulate their emotions. So the more they practice, the better they'll remember it, and hopefully the more natural it will become to apply it in their day-to-day lives. And then start week 1 of your relaxation practice by choosing one of my videos. So for example, let's say week 1, you start with rainbow relaxation. So you will watch the video on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at the same time. So that will be 5 times a week. Week 1, done. Week 2, choose another one of my videos, maybe snowy sensations. Watch snowy sensations on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of week 2. But also at one point during the week, watch rainbow relaxation once. This might be a time where the class are just a bit fussy, or you want a bit of quiet time at the end of the day. You want a little time filler to fill in 5 minutes, so that they're not forgetting that skill. They're not forgetting rainbow relaxation, because that might work better for some of them than snowy sensations. And it's just keeping that memory bank going. Week 3, choose another video. So let's say you choose then Bubble Bounce. Watch Bubble Bounce on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Same time every day. But then as you start to build up a bank of these videos and of their skills, maybe ask the children, right, we've got 5 minutes now, kids. Let's do a little relaxation practice. Which one would you like to choose? Have a little vote. Or which one do you think is most effective? Which is your favourite? And so that you're still bringing them in. If you find that you really don't have time, you really push for time, then maybe how about on your Friday sessions? Friday is the day that the children can choose which one you do. So then week 4, you might choose Bubble Bounce, so you'll watch Bubble Bounce and learn that skill on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then on Friday, the children can vote which one they want to do based on the ones that they've already done. So they could choose Bubble Bounce again, rainbow relaxation, snowy sensations. Number 3, reflect. So if you're going to up your game and you want to make these relaxation practices part of your mental wellbeing lessons, most of my animated videos on my YouTube channel have follow-up reflection sheets. So these have on them little activities that are beneficial for the children's mental well-being. They allow them to reflect on the practice, reflect on what they've learned, and record their progress. These are available on my website, which is thementalhealthteacher.com, and are great for the whole children to use after watching the video. They have something concrete to record their learning on, and it makes that skill more memorable. Otherwise, they could just be used by a small intervention group. So the whole class could watch the video and do the practice together, and then possibly just a small group of children could complete the reflection sheets. These might be children that have something challenging going on in their lives at this time, or children that have stronger emotions day to day. Otherwise, you could just get the children to reflect on their practice by asking them a couple of questions, such as, how are you feeling now? Are you feeling any different to when we started the practice? How did you find it? Did you find it challenging today? Number 4, refer. So refer to these skills throughout the day and the week, just as they come up. So if anyone's a bit maybe irritated, they have strong emotions or angry, you could say, why don't you go to the calm corner and do some belly breathing, calm down. Or you could say, if someone was upset, right, let's do some belly breathing together. Let's do snowy sensations together. Let's try and calm down these emotions, and then we can think more clearly. Or if children are struggling to focus and concentrate in class, they could do them too. I have created some instruction cards which cover the animated videos on my YouTube channel and just have the main pointers and a few pictures to remind the children of the skill and how to do it. So these are available on my website too. They can be printed out, laminated and put in your calm corner or in a little box in the classroom. And then when children feel that they need to self-regulate, they need to calm down, they can just go and access them independently. So I hope that covers everything to get your relaxation practice started in your classroom. So I promise you that within 2 weeks, your children will be remembering these skills and applying them into their day-to-day lives. So let me know how you find it. Let me know what you think about them. Let me know what your class think. Thanks, bye.